Hi beautiful people, good day to you all. Welcome to Emma's Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make pizza dough with only 2 ingredients. I hope you stay tuned to the end of this video because you will love it. So like I said in the beginning, we are going to make pizza with only 2 ingredients, and that is our flour and our yogurt. And this time we are going to talk about this flour later in this video. So I'm going to be using 200 gram of flour and 200 ml of our yogurt. This time I'm not using plain yogurt, I'm using flavored yogurt. You can use plain yogurt if you like. I used strawberry flavored yogurt. So that's what I use in making my video. I made a video before where I made about pizza, how to make pizza without oven, and there I used just plain yogurt. I used 2 ingredients as well, but plain yogurt. But this time this one is so yummy, you will love it. You know, like I told you, my goal is always to try different things, you know. So this one was excellent. Even the taste when you are eating it, you'll be like, wow. So back to our video. Like I said in the beginning, that I'm going to be talking about this flour later. This flour is a self-rising flour, and it comprises of I added 2 types of flour there, and that is type 0 and type 00 in making this pizza dough. So, and for making the self-rising flour is you combine it with you know, you can, if you can't get it in the store, you can make it yourself. You can make self-rising flour yourself. So this is the self-rising flour, and you can see how we are kneading the whole thing, trying to, it will be messy like this, yes, because it's yogurt, but don't worry about that. With time everything will turn to normal as it's supposed to be. So we are going to work on this until everything, you know, become the way we want it. So like I was saying before, I made a video. I will leave the thumbnail here, and I will make sure you see the thumbnail where I made video where you can make pizza without oven. So I made the pizza with pan, you know, no oven, nothing. So I believe you go there and watch the video after this one. So let's continue with the video again. But before then, I would like to say, if you are coming here for the first time, or you are a returning viewer but you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you can see the red button there that says subscribe. Click on the red button. At the same time, remember to click the bell beside it, so that whenever we upload any new videos, you get to be notified. I upload videos every week. So let's dive into the video again. So right now I'm almost done kneading the whole pizza dough. So right now you can see how the dough is. Right now I'm going to roll it out like I want it. So I use this to make just one pizza here. Just that pizza you saw there, that's just the measurement of this pizza. So I'm going to be rolling it out. You know how we do this thing. So we are going to be rolling this out. That's why you need to, you know, add in some flour on top of the dough while rolling it is for it not to stick on your rolling pin. So that's the main thing, so that it will you know, everything will be will be flowing like you want it, you know. If not, it will be sticky. So adding just sprinkle some flour on top of it is the best way to avoid sticky. So that's it. And we are going to move over to the next step, and that is greasing our pan with oil. I greased mine with oil, and to avoid sticky anyway. That's the essence of doing it. So I greased my pan with oil. So it's time to transfer it into our baking pan. The baking pan we are going to use, that we have already greased. So you now level it out, place it the way you want it to be, you know, make the pizza dough to look nice. So, and now after making this, the next thing is just to start to add in your toppings. And we are going to start with the first one, and that is tomato sauce. So we are adding in the tomato sauce. It will not be much anyway, but it will not be scarce, so it should be in the middle, as in it will not be too much, it will not be scarce, just so that there will be something there. So you spread it out the way you want it. Just be generous, but don't overdo it. So that's it for that one. We are going into the next one, and that is adding in your cheese. You know, this is a mozzarella cheese anyway. So, but adding in, I add two types of cheese here: the grated one and the mozzarella cheese. So this one you need, this one in fact this one needs to be abundant. Yeah, let me use that word, abundant. So add in as much as you want. Yes. And then, because I seems like the cheese, you can add it as you like. After all, it's good for the body. So I don't know if I've already told you people the health benefits of this cheese. I think I've done that in one of my videos. It's so healthy. It's so healthy. You can imagine the reason why Italians eat more of cheese like this. They can't eat any meal without cheese. They are eating rice cheese, they are eating pasta cheese, they are eating everything cheese. So now I'm adding in my hot dog, the sliced hot dog. The pizza I made last time, I showed you guys in the thumbnail in the beginning of the video. I made with mortadella meat, you know, those I made it with that one. So this time I decided just to change my style and do it with hot dog. So I decided to make it with this one. You can see how it is. So next is to pop it into our baking and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. And now our pizza is ready. Pizza with 2 ingredients. Yeah, we are slicing it out as it will be enough, slice it so that it will be okay for everyone to take part in it. It is still hot though. So right now I'm done slicing it, and I brought out 1 piece of it. So, and you can see how my family are just taking, everyone taking his or her own. And at the end, the remaining one, you see, they have just finished everything, remaining this one, which later they will come for it again. So I hope you love this video, and if you do like this video, please give us that like button. At the same time, share this video, and thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate. Merry Christmas to you all. Bye.